Head the call.
Well, tail it is. So, Sharafuddin Ashraf has won the toss. Sharaf, you have won the toss. What would you like to do?
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We would like to bat first.
Welcome to Kabul Cricket Stadium for the second match of the spring, as we witnessed in the first game as well. Goes big. Terrific shot down the ground. It's bouncing away to the fence. It's gone for 4. Good attacking start from Abdul Malik.
Very good shot. Hit it on the up, pace on the ball, and he was very comfortable. Look at the length he bowls. It's back of a length, but he tends to hit it on the up. So that's because there is space. Look how the length he bowls, and because there is space, he's able to play that shot, and he gets it down to long on. So that's the advantage if you're a batter when you bowl with pace.
It's himself, Naveed. Down the track, down the ground once again. Down the ground for another boundary. Second boundary of the over. He's taking the attack to the bowler.
Don't think the length is right as well. He is bowling that length. Either he needs to go full and try and go for those Yorkers, but at the moment he's bowling that length with pace, which is letting the batter come down the pitch. Look how he hits it on the up, and just one bounce.
Driven handsomely into the gap through the offside. Excellent placement from Zubaid Akbari. He hits his first boundary.
Yama Arab seemed to be making the mistake of going full. Now the first ball he was lucky because he went to the fielder, but he's now repeated it by pitching it up almost the identical position. It's under the batter's eyes, and perfect width just gives him the opportunity to go through extra cover, which he does so perfectly. So that's a mistake. That's a
August smashes through the offside. Square of the wicket on the offside for 4. Poor delivery punished.
width on offer. This hasn't been a really good over. Hasn't been a good over at all, because he's gone full, he's gone wide, and he's been punished. Actually, I feel that there could have been more runs. He missed.
Pressure surface. Misfield will result in a boundary. Boundary to finish the second over. The leaking runs, 22 without loss. Amar Shaks batting first. Abdul Rahman into the attack, into the channel, and deposited over the boundary.
This is brilliant batting, I'll tell you. Looking to take the bowling on, looking to create that attacking intent, and looking to create some pressure. And this is outstanding stuff. Short delivery. Thank you very much. And that's to the longest part of the ground. So he is looking to take him on. Surface. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. This is a good shot, but look at the bounce. He rode the bounce well. He used the pace as well, but he is getting the ball to bounce a bit. No real turn, no exaggerated turn. See? And he just played it well.
Little bit of extra bounce. Wins. Wahidullah. Powerful stroke. Pitched up and taken care of.
Now, to me, the mistake what he did was it was slower and in his arc, in the slot. Just look at that. He's bowling slow, and look where he's looking to bowl. It's tossed up on the off stump or outside the off stump. When you open the extra cover area as a left-hander, you don't.
ډیره زیاته مننه. څه ښه پیل دی دلته د امو شارکس یا امو نهنګانو له لوري. یقینا دواړه پیلیستو پوهونکي عبدالمالک او زبید اکبري ډېر ښه لوبېږي. دلته یو ځل بیا د بال له پلې کېدو پس د یوې لپاره ولاړی. ښه ښکاري عبدالمالک په جګ سټرایک ریټ سره، او بال هوا ته پورته کېږي. نتیجه څه ده؟ ډګر ساتونکی کولی شي یو کیچ ترلاسه کړي، او دې سره د عبدالمالک پاڼۍ ته هم د پای ټکی کېښودل شو، او عبدالرحمن وتوانید چې د میساینه کتلانو لپاره لومړی ویکټ ترلاسه کړي. هغه له تیز پیل وروسته خپله وکټ په 22 منډو کې له لاسه ورکړه.
بالکل یو زیان دا مهال ګورو، خو دلته د نو بال لپاره هم که وګورو د نو بال به کومه ستونزه نه وي، ځکه چې کیمرامین دغه شاټ کلوز راخیستی ده. ریپلی ګورو، یو ډېر ښایسته په زړه پورې کیچ ته وروستۍ شیبو د توپوهنې برخه ده او که د توپ اچونې برخه ده. اوهو دا ځل توپ بالکل د لانګان باونډري په لوري باندې او د کیچ هڅه ډراپ ډیډ او توپ ته باونډري څخه د باندې د لوبڅار اشارې ته ګورو. لوبڅار د شپږیزې اشاره ورکوي.
فینګر سپینر وحید زدران دی چې پر وړاندې د شاټ والو کوشش کیږي او نتیجه هم په ډېر احتمال چې شپږیزه به وسي. که څوم ډګر ساتونکي هڅه وکړه، ډېره واضحه ده چې شپږ منډې ترلاسه شوي دي. یقینا لیدلی و چې یو څه د ده په وړاندې ترسره کړي، اما ډګر ساتونکي ملتیا نه و. دا ځل بهترینه لوبېدنه او کیچ ترلاسه کیږي. وړاندې ما فکر وکړو چې شاید په ډیف ایکسټرا کور کې ډګر ساتونکی نه وي، خو وروسته ښکاره شوه چې فیلډر په ځای سره موجود دی او د یوه شاټ په هڅه کې مسعود ګربز خپله ویکټ له لاسه ورکړه.
بالکل دا ځل نو بخت او قسمت د توپ اچوونکي سره واکنم چې یو اسانه کیچ و، ډېر ښه کیچ یې ترسره کړ. په لومړي توپ باندې هم په لانګان باندې که چیرې څه زیاته هڅه سوې وی، ښه ډګر ساتنه سوې وی، نو په لومړي توپ باندې هم دا ځل د سلاګ سویپ هڅه وه او په سکویر لیګ باندې یو ډېر ښایسته او په زړه پورې
لوري خپله په شاټ کور کې لیدل کیږي. او دې سره بهترینه لوبېدنه، ډګر ساتونکی په موقع سره نشته او بال د کور په ساحه کې له لافټي ډرایو پاس د 4 منډو لپاره ځي. په زړه پورې انتخاب دی د زبید اکبري له لوري، البته شاهد الله کمال.
بالکل ډېر ښه شاټ یې ترسره کړ، تر وروستۍ شیبو پورې په توپ باندې نسي ریډ کولی لیفټ هینډر. نو د وحید بیا هم د سویپ هڅه، دا ځل بالکل دا سکویر لیګ باونډري څخه د باندې 4 منډې. عموما په سپین بالینګ باندې که غټ شاټونه نه ترسره کیږي نو بیټر باید د هغه څه وکړي چې هغه څه دا ډول وي، د سویپ شاټونه ترسره کړي، کټ شاټ ترسره کړي، د غټ شاټونو لپاره داسې نتیجه ورکوي لکه.
He also referred to his bowling skills. He's a left arm spin bowler. Very handy. And this one might just run down to the boundary. 4. Oh, that is good batting.
Yeah, it is useful, isn't it? Yamaha Arab has been a little bit expensive, been a little bit wayward with his lines and lengths. He's been taken apart. Again, see the length that he's bowled has been poor. He's gone full all the time. And most of the time he's gone with pace on. So that's...
Pakistan. But the key is that you need to learn as well. Now, has he middled it? Enough. That is a maximum. Shpagiza.
It is a Spagisa, no doubt. It is 90 for 2, 11 overs done.
Well, unfortunately, you gotta end your over as good as you have bowled the previous 5.
180 on the board for sure.
Well, not to be easy. Akbar gets his man. I told you, he bowls wicket to wicket. You miss, I hit. It's the Akbar. A very timely breakthrough for Missy Ainak Knights.
Yeah, Miss Ainak Knights, they definitely needed this wicket, no doubt. Because the point is, we've spoken about the surface getting a little bit tougher. That's fine. He is well behind the line, so that's okay. So I think the batter yorked himself. And yeah, you said right. He's bowling wicket to wicket. Good pace. Hardly movement of the feet. He just yorked himself. And this is a big wicket. They needed it.
Leg stump मान लाड़ो इन swing दाजल का shot कोशिश नतीजा स्तासी मखकिदा यवेटा बके सर बाल द बाउंड्री लाइन न बाहर सलोरो मंडोला पारा तारीफ मंगदा अब्दुल रहमान रहमानी का वदलता इसाक रहीमी दखपल बैट खामोशी मातई तकरार की गौ गुरु लक्स शाता बालो पुले कड़ द वाइडिश लॉन्ग ऑन आउट डीप की ब्रिक होम की कशे दत्त चैनल की बॉलिंग के हॉट शॉट कोशिश बरियाले दे कमाल او دلته غټه شپږیزه
بهترینه شاټ و بالې بیټ ته برابر څړول چې د غوښتل هغسې بالو او لوز بال څخه استفاده وکړه او دغه بال یې له بونډرۍ څخه بهر د شپږو منډو لپاره ورګزار کړ. وړاندې موږ یادونه وکړه چې شهیدالله کمال د ښه بال احترام کړی، لوز بالونو څخه استفاده کړې ده. دا هغه څه دي چې هم په وکټ پاتې شوی او هم یې چټکې منډه
که وګورو په ټوله کې اوه چکی 1 2 3 باونډري درې سدرو ټپکو وروسته بال د باونډري لاین نه بهر او کلیور زړورتیا د شاهد الله کمال نوید زدران چې څومره ښه کې بالو کو همدومره ښه شارټ سلیکشن اړخ یې بدل که د آف سټم نه بال راواخیسته
هغه بالینګ دی چې هغه دواړه مهم بولډ آوټ په دې سره موږ وړاندې یادونه وکړه چې ضیا اکبر خلاف د غټو شاټونو راتلل اسانه به نه وي او همغه و چې دغه وکټ یې ترلاسه کړه.
تاسې وګورئ بیټسمین بیک فوټ ته لاړ غوښتل چې ځان ته روم جوړ کړي وړاندې بالونه یې پاس ټم وکړو دې داسې فکر کوو چې ما ته به کټ ته وکړي اما په صحیح چینل کې انسایډ ایج شو د بیټر وکټ ولګېدله او د سره خطرناک ساک رهي میزي ډریسنګ روم ته تاسې د توپ اچونې هوښیارتیا وګورئ لږ څه لاندې هم پاتې شو غوښتل چې مډل سټم نه کټ وهل نو اسانه خبر نه ده.
The passion and he's bowled him. Hayat Nasiri couldn't do much about it, trying to guide it down to the third man region in the slot. I mean, it was in the line coming onto the wicket and the bounce been not as high that could have come onto the bat.
That's a legal delivery. Typical test match line and length from Yama Arab was very expensive in the first spell. Making a good comeback, not quite rising to the expectation of the batsman, trying to give it a room to himself to hammer it through the offside.
I think it's Sharafuddin Ashraf opens his arms and sends this high into the crowd. Just when we were talking about how good he's been bowling, Sharafuddin Ashraf had different plans.
He's an attacking batsman. Bats at different positions, picks the length early. Just taking the pace of the ball early in position and depositing it over the. Not going to be easy.
And he's got him. Good work from Afsar Sasai behind the wickets. But all credit to Waheed, the young promising cricketer for Afghanistan who bowls very much likely Mujib Zadran. That's very good thinking. Bowling it quick.
Terrific find for Afghanistan of late. Talking about his poor performances in South Africa. Hitting cricket. Getting opportunity across the way. There's the T20.
Well, another 2 deliveries if they can get to 150. But I'll be very upset. Oh, that is high in the air for a maximum. They have got 250. Riaz said, okay, it's only 2 deliveries. I don't like it, the fact that Shahidullah Kamal will not be able to make his 50. But you don't play for your personal milestones. You play for the team. And Riaz finding one in the slot smashes it out nicely.
Again, the length delivery, operating from round the wicket in the arc. Picked the length early and smacked it.
And wanted 150 and they got it. Good work from Afsar Sasai.